This is what happened. JP Morgan Chase, HSBC, Hong Kong Shanghai Bank Corporation, are naked short on a 45-to-1 basis. 9-to-1 is normal. Silver. They're naked and they can't deliver. So they decided they were going to drive the price down as far as they could. And what they did, and you got to remember, Morgan is the biggest shareholder in the Federal Reserve Bank. And HSBC, the Goldman Sachs, Citigroup, they're all involved. And they all are owners of the Fed. Now, who initiated all these actions, I don't know. But I was told by people in Washington, this is what they did. They told the CME, which owns the COMEX, where they do all those futures trades, to raise margin requirements. Never in history have they raised them 5 times in 9 days. Now, if that isn't rigging a market, I don't know what is. And I spent 29 years in the brokerage business. On top of that, what they did is they called all the major commodity brokers and told them they wanted them to recommend that commodities be sold, especially gold and silver, and to double the internal margin in their firms up from what margin was from the CME. The CME took margin from $9,500 to $21,600. So you had to put up 5 times as much money to carry contracts. And then what the companies did, the brokerage firms, they doubled that to $42,000. That wiped out every small investor in commodities and gold and silver and many of the middle-sized ones. Well, that bloodletting is over because they're all gone. And this is what they did. One of the biggest market manipulations of all time. Billions of dollars were lost. And the United States government, the Federal Reserve, the Treasury Department, and JPM, which is JP Morgan Chase, and HSBC, and the other players, they were all behind this thing. And to top it all off, I read the COT report from the COMEX on Friday, which goes up to the previous Tuesday. They haven't covered anything. So this was an exercise in telling the American people, ha-ha, look what we can do. We can do anything we want. And we're still short. This is what's going on. The government and these bankers are totally out of control.